Hey everyone, my name is Azam, as some of you may know, and today I'll be talking about, that's right, natural selection. Let me start off by asking you, what do you know about natural selection? Now, you ask me a question, but since I'm sitting here, I can't answer you, but you try to find out the answer yourself and see where your investigations and research take you. It may take you away from the superstitious beliefs that you and others may believe just because you are not able to explain how you came to be, why you came to be, or why everything started out like as it is. Well, I guess it's time to increase our knowledge and further our intelligence. Charles Darwin and his theories brighten our futures as a society, but not only scientifically, but as a whole. His work, whether it be investigating whether eggs and seeds could travel across seawater and survive to spread species across oceans, or be it studying and differentiating the finches of the Galapagos Islands, Darwin was and still is, in terms of science, a giant stepping stone in the field of biology, among other fields of science. He came to say that you and I will eventually find a common ancestor if we go back in time far enough, and this could go for all living things. If you still don't believe what is right in front of you, maybe what I have told you right now will help you decide what our ancestors were into and what was interesting. We should also know that any animal could go extinct, and that it's just a matter of survival, and it's basically survival of the fittest, which varies everywhere from place to place, climates and regions. And basically everything I've said up until now was to kill time. What you know about natural selection, go ahead and just ask me your question and see where the answer's gonna get you away from this use of superstitious beliefs, because the family tree is showing some genetic drift. It's time to elevate your state of mind. The weak and the strong, who got it going on? The weak and the strong, Darwin got it going on. Charles Darwin, origin of species. Okay, it's time to reveal my identity. I'm the manifestation of tens of millions of centuries of sexual selection. Best believe I'm the best of the best of generations of competitive pressure genetically. But we won't get upset because we got the same pedigree. You and I will find a common answer eventually if we rewind geological time regressively. And I could say the same for this hibiscus tree and this lizard and this flea and this sesame seed. Would you still disbelieve in what your senses perceive? And I could use this rhyme as a remedy. Decide what they're into and there really isn't interesting. You can thrive like Timberlake on a Timberland beat, or go extinct like Vanilla Ice or NSYNC. It's survival of the fittest, but fitness is a tricky thing. This changes from place to place, from summer to spring.